Okay, so this video tutorial is to show you how to share a slideshow in Google Slides. So this way, when you're turning in your presentation in this class, you can just copy and paste a URL into the comment area when turning in the assignment. So here's what you're going to want to do. I have this sample slideshow right here. I'm going to click up here in the top right hand corner right here on share. And then there's going to be a variety of choices right here. If I go down here to advanced, it should show me a few other choices there. Okay, and you can see there's a few different choices here. When I clicked on advanced right there, it says public on the web, anyone with a link, so that anyone that wants to see the presentation would have to have that specific link, so that would kind of limit the amount of people that would be able to see it there. Okay, but going back to the beginning here, you'd want to just go ahead and click on share, and then you should see right here, you might have to change this to anyone with the link. And then what you want to do, for me at least, is you probably don't want me to be able to just view it, because then I won't be able to make any comments on the presentation to let you know, as I'm grading it. So you're going to want to at least say, when turning it in for me, you're going to want to at least say anyone with the link can comment. So you're going to want to make sure I have the comment accessibility there. And then you're just going to say copy link right there. That goes ahead. Goes ahead and copies that link. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and go to where you turn in the assignment, and you're going to paste that link into like the comment section, which I don't really see that. Let me look real quickly. Okay, so I did try to go into like a student preview of our class so I can hopefully see what you're seeing right here. So basically, I just went to the week that has the assignment that you want to turn in, and you guys know this part, I'm sure, but you go ahead and click right on the name of the assignment, and then you're presented with an area where you can upload your assignment, add comments, things like that. So for this one, if you're just sharing it as a link, you would just go ahead and go to this comment area right here, and you would just copy and paste the link directly into that comment area. Okay, so you just go here. You could probably say right click and say paste. If your browser doesn't allow you to do that, which is what mine just did, you could hold down the control key on your keyboard and push V, and then it would go ahead and put that link directly into the browser. So I just need to see this so that I can get to your presentation. All right, thank you very much, and hope this was helpful.